In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset n8n password in under 3 minutes. If you need to quickly change your n8n password for security or simply to keep things up to date, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. All you need is access to your n8n account and your current password. We'll stay entirely inside the n8n interface and keep it fast, simple, and secure. Once you're logged into n8n, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That gear opens your settings. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so the gear becomes visible. Go ahead and click that gear to open the settings menu. Inside the settings, select Personal. This is where your account-related preferences live, including your profile information and security options. Opening Personal ensures you're in the right place to change your password without affecting any workspace-wide settings. Within the Personal section, choose Change Password. This is the dedicated area for updating your credentials safely. You'll see fields that ask for your current password and your new password. Enter your current password first, exactly as you use it today. Then, in the New Password field, type the password you want to use going forward. When creating your new password, aim for something strong and unique. A good rule of thumb is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess, and don't reuse a password you use elsewhere. If available, you can use the Reveal option in the field to double-check what you typed before applying the change. After you've entered both your current and new password, click Change. That's it. Your password is now updated. In some cases, you might be prompted to sign in again with the new password. That's normal, and simply confirms the update was successful. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you use a password manager, update the saved entry right away so you don't get locked out later. Keep your new password private and never share it. If your browser offers to save the password, make sure you're on a trusted device. And if you don't remember your current password, this specific change screen won't work. You'll need to use your usual account recovery method outside of this quick update flow. To recap, open the settings with the gear at the bottom left. Go to Personal, select Change Password. Enter your current and new password, and click Change. Simple, fast, and secure. Done in under 3 minutes.